the settee. So I tell you why I'm like this every day. Falling down the hole, but at least it's in my own way. 'Cause it's for a reason. A little bit and now take myself on out to town. But I realise that I can't go, 'cause I can't afford a round. And this job interview is a load of me ass, 'cause the place is full of liars. So I ran my quickest started there, 'cause the people were all tired. Turn the telly on and there's more no beds running around acting the same. Oh, there's another silly nomad and he's desperate for fame. So I tell you why I'm like this every day. Falling down my hole, but at least it's in my own way. It's for a reason. At least I'm on my own. It's for a reason. I'd rather stay at home. So if it's all like this, then I don't wanna change. I'd rather stay the same. I'll fade into oblivion, at least there is no shame. It's for a reason. At least I'm on my own. 'Cause it's for a reason. I'd rather stay at home.
Round Sound Radio Top 20.
Steve Thompson and the Incidents live on Round Sound Radio.
Bloody good show.
And we're winging it.
The best unsigned and original music the Northwest has to offer. Tune in Thursday at 8 p.m.
We are Hegarty, and you are listening to Round Sound Radio.
The inside eyes are looking in.
Bit of work to be getting done there, lads. Number 4, Jesus wept. Next week it'll be number 8. The week after that it'll be number 12. Next thing you know, come on. Right, to be honest with you, you had a fair bit of great competition this week, you really did. This week's number 3 is also a brand new entry. It's Sarah Beatrice with Winter's Snow. And this is a prime example of just how easy it is to get very high in our charts. This was only played on Sunday's show. Thursday, it's number 3 in our charts. So depending on how much people want to listen to your song, not to do with me, it's how much people want to listen to your song will determine where you sit in the charts. I just get the calculator out, mate. Do a little bit of math. This is Winter Snow. This week's number 3. A bloody good effort.
You and me, we were never meant to be. Watch me glow. Now I found my winter snow. I was ice cold. I didn't stick to the things I was told, but now you've warmed me up. watch me grow. Now I've found my winter's snow.
We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town, round town, round town. We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town, round town radio. All your classics, touch of the new, unsound original music. Add a little humor, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Town Radio. Righty, and this week's number 2 is yet again another brand new entry into our charts. I think this probably holds the record, to be honest with you, for new entries going straight in at number 2. This week it is Von Ryan. The tune I'm going to play for you is called From My Heart. It features Nilsson on vocals. Absolutely brilliant, this, guys. Have a gander. This week's number 2. This week's number 1 on Round Sound Radio.
Well, I wonder, who the fuck is it?
God knows.
It's in Terabang. Don't try.
we all just get along. Stereotyping people just ain't on. Most of the time, they're all wrong, they're all wrong, they're all wrong. Just cause I've got a hat and a hood, it doesn't mean that you're gonna get mojo. I won't dig up on you from behind or even rob the blind, that shit ain't right. Like kids being introduced to the crack pipe, not getting taught to read and write the right from wrong. It don't take long, that's gonna be a completely different song. This is about stereotyping people, for real, it happens those days, yeah, it's real. Don't go rubbing no one else's style. If you think it's new, then you're in denial. It's like you see now, you're fucking insane. Have you got a clock going to the vein in your brain?
Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boy, no.
Call me a chavan and I call you a prick. Call me a chavan and I say you're talking shit. Call me a chav, I say you've got it all wrong. Don't call me a chav, now correct me if I'm wrong. But saying a chav is as bad as being sexist or a crazy man being racist, making people feel alienated. It's this type of shit that make kids act like tits, bounce around getting ass with a kicks. It doesn't matter if you're a mosher or even a chav. All of those words are just as bad. Every time they said it makes people conform. Stereotyping people for the clothes that are worn, the music they listen to. You're one of them and take a bang, say fuck you. Yeah, you say fuck you.
Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boys, no.
Round Sound Radio Top 20.
Steve Thompson and the Incidents live on Round Sound Radio.
Bloody good show.
And we're winging it.
The best unsigned and original music the Northwest has to offer. Tune in Thursday at 8 p.m.
We are Haggerty, and you are listening to Round Sound Radio.
The inside eyes are looking in.
A massive well done to Interrobang there, and I've got to be honest with you, not only are they number one, they were number one by quite a long shot this week. So